Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 X3 xDrive. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder pushing out 248 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black interior, panorama sunroof. And on back, X3 xDrive badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, full down rear seats. Side we've got a blind spot assist, keyless entry, wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for a media display, dual climate controls, cup holders, automatic transmission. We've got sports, comfort, and eco driving modes. Some more hard keys for a media display. This X3 has 15,334 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this X3, check out feldmannimports.com.